searching up Roblox Studio. Go to the first link, the one that looks like this. Now, and you're gonna click Start Creating. I already have it downloaded, so you're going to push Download Studio. You can pause the video while it downloads. And then once you have it downloaded, go to this, go to the application. You can choose from any of these. I'm going to do flat terrain. Now let's just say, oh, come on. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Wait, so you're gonna want to go to Toolbox. Here you can search up pretty much anything you want. I'm going to make a house. Not that. There we go. Sneeze, I think. Now here's your house. You can move it around. If you want to rotate it, go to rotate. You could use the green thing to move it around. And let's just say I want like a car. Not a car. Okay, but these cars are no car. I'll do the Bugatti. Don't ask why, but I'll do this. Cars usually go on the side of the house. There we go. There you go. You got the car. Now, let's just say you wanted to raise the terrain, create a hill, or whatever. You're gonna want to go to Editor. You're gonna want to go to Add, and you could build a bunch of hills and stuff. You can basically make them pretty high, and you can make them pretty weird. Like, look at this. I am creating a wall, I guess. I honestly don't know what I'm doing or what I'm creating, but it's fine. Actually, aren't walls... Walls are usually made out of bricks, so I'm gonna do this. Even though it says pavement. I cannot talk. Right, there you go. There. That looks pretty weird, but looks fine. Right, so once you're done creating your game or whatever, you're going to want to go to File, Publish to Roblox, New Place. Here you can name it whatever you want. I am just going to name this. Oops, I have caps lock on. Random. Oh my god. Random game. Alright, so I'm just gonna name it that. For description, I am going to do description. The genre is just gonna be comedy because this video is just hilarious. You can make it public or private. I'm gonna do public. And then you're gonna push create place. And it's gonna upload, which might take a while. I'm not completely sure. Oh. That took nothing at all. Yeah, done. And then once that's over with, you're going to want to exit out of that. Go to Roblox. Go to click on yourself. Still thinks I'm building. What the heck? And you're gonna go to creations. And here you can see all my creations. Like, I got my Hangout, which is a pretty bad game, to be honest. Bad game. Like, I've screwed up badly. House and a few other things, and then you should see the game you created. Now, once you go into it, come on, hurry. It should already be updated, and here you got what you created. Like, here's the house. pretty nice, just really crappy TV. This house is okay. For sure needs some work. What? Why is it so dark? Look, that's just really weird. Wait, and then you got the car. And most of the cars work, pretty well. Then here you got that wall thing I created. I honestly don't know what I did. Jeez, this car is really, really fast. Holy cow. What? Wait. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm doing. This car. What the heck? You know what this car reminds me of? It reminds me of Sonic, because Sonic is blue, this car is blue, Sonic is fast, this car is fast, this car is crazy, Sonic is crazy. Oh, and I've died. Well, okay, so that's how you create a game. Now let's just say you wanted to rename that game, because let's just say random game is a bad name. I'm gonna go to configure this place, and then let's just say I wanted to name it random. Come on, caps lock. Random. And let's just say I wanted to change the genre. I can do adventure, but I am going to keep it at comedy, and then make sure you push save. So, that is how you create a Roblox game. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and comment any suggestion for a future video, and tell a friend about my channel. If this video was helpful at all, please comment saying something like, "Oh, this video was helpful." Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will answer them in a day or two, or even that day. So, thanks for watching. Bye. See you all in the next video.